I'm going. I'm sorry, Heaven, but I'm gonna go see the fireworks. This is a video. Can you see me? I don't know. Oh my god, this is really cool. I'm going up there, see, going up to the fair. You see. This video is going to be quite long. I'm going to cut in the splits. Nah. I'll see you when I get there. Alright. Play with my brother. I'm posting this on my YouTube channel. Whoa! I threw a frisbee so far. Oh my god, the sky looks sick. Can you hear me? I have not hit a car. Is it actually? Not my fault. Not my fault. Oh! I ain't throwing frisbees anymore. Yeah. Whoa. Post this on my YouTube channel. Ollie, you throw the frisbee about. I'm gonna go back in the caravan. No. That's it. I'll be back in a minute. What? But now walking. Ollie. I'm now walking with my brother. You may hit the camera. You may hit the camera right now. But I'm going to this. So blocking the view all. I'm going to that. That's the centre. You can play this arcade in there. And I'm gonna go see the fireworks. So that's gonna be great. Oh, wait. That was massive. Can't wait. Mum, I'm filming this on my YouTube channel. Say hi. Yeah, starting at 7:30, isn't it? Yeah. I'm so excited for the fireworks. I'm making a few cuts, so I'm going to end in a minute. I'm going to cut it. I'll tell you when I'm there. Oh, let's go. Finally out. Don't know if you've seen it. Right. Yeah, you've seen it. Going to it. There's a caravan. My caravan is way back there. Way down there. So I've just walked like a quarter mile. Ollie. Oh my god, Mum, I'm so excited. Mum, tell the audience how excited you are. How excited?
I'm very excited.
Yes. From 1 to 10, how excited are you?
11.
Oh! I'm excited too. There's a car. I think I've been famous almost like 5 minutes. Oh! You need to hit the camera. You need to hit the camera. You're gonna hit me to the sidewalk. Stop. I'm gonna go in the grass. I'm hiding my face more than speaking and like showing my face. Sorry about that. I don't think you can hear me. Oh, Mum, I remember this. Why you don't bring me up here? Oh. so excited. I must have cut it again. I'll keep it on. I'll tell you what the tickets. What's all I get here? I got these shoes. Yeah. Back. Sorry for this. Wait. I got such a good space.
At that point, I was just walking down the steps.
Oh, I couldn't remember if the steps was that side or that
I
side.
can't show my face though.
And then when I took the video, I thought, well, it all looks the same grass banking. You can't tell nothing from that picture.
Yo.
And
Mom.
the thin steps.
You can't see
First of all, we
it.
was up in the sound dunes. So we walked
I
down
can't
there
show
to
my
get a
face
can
because
of
it's too
coffee.
dark.
And then we walked behind you then and seen these things alright. So yeah.
Oh my god, Mom, I'm so excited. Yo! That's sick. That's sick. Mom, whoa.
You see?
Yeah. Oh, that's lighting up the camera. Oh, oh. That's sick. Well, that's like an island.
Yeah.
I can't see anyone now. I might have to zoom in. Boy, look at those fireworks. Oh! That's sick! There's not much colour on you though. But that's massive. Oh! There's not much colour on the phone though, but for me there's so much colour though, guys. But these are Christmas. These are like Christmas colours right here. Oh! I need to like yeah, everyone, yeah, all the audience can see, but it's not much colour for them, but for us it's a lot. Mom, it's a video, you gotta do like this. That way.
Right.
No, because that's gonna be a short then. You gotta face it like this. After you send it to me, you can whoa! After you send it to me, you can edit it then, if you want. You gotta do it this way, send videos. This is like videos ways. Like going like that, that's a short kind of thing. If you do that, I might get suspended from YouTube. So don't. Jeez. There's so much colour for us, but for them, it's not much. Jeez. Oh. Wow, how long is this going to go for? Because I might have to buy space to do like a 20-minute video. That is sick. I'm going to zoom in for them. Wait, that's a bit too zoom. Right, they got a bit more colour now. Oh, I like those ones. Oh. All these people. It's so dark. There's so much waves. Yo! It's brighten up the sky.
Jake, stop, that's it. Jake.
The sky's brightening up. Campfire. There's 4 minutes on this one.
Whoa.
Yeah. Whoa! There's gonna be no cuts on this one though, because there should be like good fireworks now. Is there any big ones in the audience can see? Right, these are like small ones right now. Actually, I'm gonna turn it dark, mum, because like it's better when you turn it dark. Actually, now they got more colour. I found out to get you more colour, guys. My 12 subscribers. Is that a cab one as well? Is that a cab one? That's actually sick. Yo! This might use might go in a minute now. Wait, let me zoom in. That was more colour. Ordinary.
Jake.
Yo!
Sit down.
I'm gonna lie down. Wait.
Stop messing it. Sit down once. Stand still a moment.
This is sick. Oh, that actually like lit up the sky then. It doesn't lit up the sky for the camera, but for us, it's actually so loud. It's kind of loud. Yo! Yeah, I do need to talk to the camera a bit more. Yo! This is actually a lot. I spoke too soon. Back.
Jake, calm down, is it?
Might have to cut the video in a minute now. I'll try to cut the video. Can you see? I'll go a little bit back. Look at that. Oh my god, ma'am. Those 2 different colours. That's this one. I'll zoom in a bit more. That's a bit too zoomed. That's good. Right. I'll zoom. Mama, I might have to buy more space. This might take a couple of days to load. Two big fireworks, I think.
Yeah.
That's a good one. My favourite are like the gold ones. Gold, gold, gold. I like those red ones too. Hold on, let me unzoom it a little bit. Then you guys can see a little. I don't know why I'm not talking too much. Why on the camera it looks like a big wrecking ball? Like, look at that. What the? Oh. This actually might be the best I've ever done. Yep, they are my favourite. Oh, we got some beer. Wait, let me unzoom it a lot. Oh! There's my break the camera. Oh! Jesus Christ, man. I'm scared. Jeez. 10-minute drill doing a cut. Right, we got two little ones. I'll go back a little bit, man, because my hand's on the hurt now. Let me zoom in a little bit. Luckily, I'm not by that tree. I love these gold ones. Let me zoom in a lot. It's almost colourful though. Come on. Yo, it's lit. It's the best. Man, this is sick. Where's it for them? It's not really coming up for them. I don't know why. Look all the audience. They can still see the fireworks. Wait, hold on. Yeah. Look at those fireworks. I'm gonna zoom in a bit more. This is sick, man. Man, rate it from 1 to 10. She rated 10, guys. I rated like 11. Oh! I like the. Oh! I need to unzoom this. Golden again. Went too long with all cuts. Don't too much. Yeah, they can see the fireworks though. Oh man, this is sick. I want to show. This is right there. You can't see your face though. That's why I'm not showing my face. That's why I'm not showing my face. You need light. Mom is starting to turn black. But I think I just called the racist. I'm racist. I need to go back a bit. Hold on, let me zoom in. Oh! I'm zooming out, zooming in, zooming out. Let me. Oh, jeez. This is actually crazy.
Yeah.
Oh! Mom, this is. There's a lot. That's a lot. Oh my god, man.
Okay.
It looks massive for us, but on the screen doesn't look big for you guys. Sorry about that. Oh my god, man, this is beautiful. This is beautiful.